Wild dogs and lions have always been in a struggle for survival in their shared habitat, engaged in bloody battles filled with bitter scenes for both sides. Now, let's embark on a journey to witness the most intense encounters between these two predators. In one of these attacks, a male lion ambushes a wild dog that is resting. Before the wild dog realizes it, it finds itself trapped in the lion's jaws, facing the imminent loss of its life. Other members of the wild dog pack quickly rush to help their comrade, however. Upon seeing the lion, they seem to realize that they have no chance against this formidable predator. The lion, appearing calm amidst the storm in its mind, grips its prey and slowly begins to leave the scene. The wild dogs, witnessing the lion's calm demeanor and recognizing its power, lack the courage to approach the lion and respond to their friend's desperate pleas for his life. With each passing moment, they increasingly understand that their efforts would be risky and futile. In another wild encounter that showcases the power of pack unity, a lion that appears immensely tired and thirsty approaches a watering hole for a drink, only to be immediately confronted by a pack of wild dogs present at that location. The lion makes a grave mistake by launching weak and ineffective attacks, revealing its own vulnerability and inadvertently giving the wild dogs the courage to strike back. In another incident, two wild dogs, along with their small pups, attempt to cross a road, which turns out to be their biggest mistake, as their unprotected pups become visible to opportunistic predators nearby. After a while, two young male lions emerge from the bushes alongside the road and easily spot the stray pup as potential prey. In the ensuing harrowing scene, one of the young lions snatches the small pup among the bushes, where no one witnesses the bitter event unfolding. In another bloody struggle, a female lion successfully captures a fleeing wild dog and immediately brings it down with powerful blows of her paws, sinking her teeth into the dog's neck as she intends to end its life. Quickly, the wild dog's friends rush to its aid, surrounding the lion in an attempt to distract her successfully. It seems that the lion temporarily loosens her grip on the wild dog, allowing it to seize the chance and flee. As soon as the dog escapes the battlefield, its heavy breaths and bloody body indicate that its flight was merely a temporary reprieve. Its eyes are filled with fear and doubt, yet a glimmer of hope for survival still exists in its heart. In an interesting event, a hyena accidentally stumbled upon a pack of wild dogs while wandering about. The wild dogs and the hyena stared at each other in silence, assessing the situation. While the hyena was still deciding on its next move, a group of lions suddenly entered the scene. With the arrival of the lions, the silence was shattered, and the wild dogs and the hyena began to flee, oblivious to the circumstances they had just been in a moment ago. Lions and wild dogs, despite their long-standing enmity, are always compelled to face danger and confrontation, sometimes with courage and at other times with retreat and hesitation. So what do you think? Have you ever witnessed such conflicts in the natural world? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section, and don't forget to follow our channel for more videos. Take care until the next video.